perfect, guys. That is perfect. What is up, guys? Jared here, back with another video. Today, I'm actually with Devin. I'm pretty sure Devin's been on the vlogs before. How you doing, bro?
Y'all doing all right?
Yeah, he actually got this vet. And I haven't got a chance to review it yet, bro. I haven't got a chance to review it. So I do want to go ahead and take a ride in it, feel it out. I wanna kind of feel the difference between my car and your car. I heard you.
I passed that cop going about 70 miles an hour.
No.
Yeah.
He wasn't. He didn't want it. He didn't want to smoke.
God,
he didn't want it. He didn't want it.
Red light
I heard
right
you.
There. I don't know how it sounded. It probably
I was like, damn, nah, it actually sounded really good.
original.
Oh, yeah.
It's not gonna sound like yours.
But, bro, it's a V8.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Bro.
Yeah, it's a little
This thing
bit
sounds
fast.
crazy, bro. Oh my God. This is wild.
Just a little Corvette.
That drive-by did sound good too, yeah. How did she hook?
Right.
Her traction is good?
Oh, dude, you can't get it to spin with traction control on. But as soon as you cut that shit off. Oh, we got a Mustang back here, I think.
We got a Mustang?
No, it's a Camaro.
It's a Camaro?
We don't know if it's a fast Camaro.
A LZ1?
We don't know if they want it.
It's a RS. It's a RS. I don't think they want it.
They ain't about it like that.
Bro, you're making me want a manual so bad. You're making me want a manual, bro.
I mean, and plus it's got plus it's got rev match on it. So like for instance,
Oh, so you don't
shift in third,
it doesn't
right?
bob or anything like that.
So watch right here. I'm not gonna press the gas on this rev. That was all stick right there. Again, no gas pedal. Look, let me stop before I wreck. But let me bring my knee up. So
if you tap it twice.
yeah, if you bounce it, it just bounces it twice. If you hit it once, it hits it once.
Bro, that is
And
amazing.
Of course, you can just cut it off with these little fake paddle shifters right here. Fake paddle shifters, because all it does is cut the rev up. I don't know.
Oh my God, this shit is so fancy. You gotta press the button on it. All right.
Let's get the fuck out of here, bro.
You're funny as hell, bro.
We got a deal.
That is so funny, bro. But that shit eats.
Oh yeah, dude.
Bro, it eats.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's pretty fucking ridiculous.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, well, I drive it like I stole it, guys.
Bro, that's funny, bro. But I mean, this shit rips, like for real. It eats.
Oh boy.
Terpski. I would run it. I'll definitely run it. He don't want the sauce. He don't want the sauce.
We got a Subaru behind us, but he's not boosted, and I don't think. I don't think he wants it either.
The Subis do come boosted. All of them come boosted. I mean the new ones.
I don't know if this one does.
Like the WRXs, they come boosted. All of them.
Really?
Yeah, all the WRXs come boosted.
I thought it was only the STI that's boosted.
Nah. You get the F8 with the WRX, and then you get the EJ with the STI. So it's a different engine, but they're both boosted.
Okay, well hell, I learned something new today.
Yeah.
All I know is about Corvettes and Jeeps, man. My boy right here, Micah. Hey! Look, this dude a real big stepper. The squatted F-150.
I don't know. What's going on at Cookout? I heard they closed that thing down.
And apparently everybody that comes to Cookout normally is banned. So, we have a new spot, and it's directly across the street. It's called Morgan Boot. Pull up if you want to have a lit time. And we're actually about to pass it right now. I'll let Jerry do a little flyby of it.
I know.
Cookout
So
is...
Cookout used to be right there.
Well, it's still there.
I mean,
we
yeah.
just can't go anymore. So
pretty much.
Here to the left is our new spot. This is where everybody be pulling up at.
I mean, they still pulling up at Cookout.
Oh, yes! Yes, let's go! The highway, take a right. That's my boy. This is my friend, and we've been talking about racing for a long time. And what a, wow, what an occasion. We have video. Now listen, this is a fast Mustang. This guy has multiple builds. He knows what he's doing, and he can drive.
Alright, let's see what this thing can do.
Yeah, this isn't just a stock 5.0, it's built.
I felt you missed it. Does it lock it whenever you miss a gear? I don't know.
Going in that track mode, get that new dash on there.
Oh snap. boy. Pull up. Just cruising around. How'd you like the pops?
The pops is the hardest, bro.
Are they really that loud? I never really heard them.
They're really that loud, bro. You should drive the Vet and we drive the Beamer on the board, bro.
You want? Ah, shit. I'll drive it. You want to trade? We can go to Morgan's whenever we trade.
God.
They would be like, "What the fuck?"
How do I? You gotta show me how to do that. I don't know how to do that shit though.
What?
How to make it fucking pop?
Oh, but you know what I mean, like with the paddles.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty much just using the paddles.
Okay. Shut me off.
God, that shit goes dumb. I didn't even know it could pop out that loud.
That shit fast. We got two cars you can race, man, if you think it's fast.
I mean, I'm up for it. I'm up for it.
Now. See, I know I won't touch the Corvette, but
You might touch it.
might be able to keep up. But I know I won't touch
But pull over here, bro. Let's talk about it.
Hell yeah.
Oh, bro, I know this dude. I know this guy. He's in the before.
I'm gonna be back though.
Aw, cuz.
Come on, bro. You can't leave yet.
Damn. Damn. Hold on, back me up in here, bro.
Y'all want to go to Morgan? I ain't gonna park this spot for all, bro. Let's go to Morgan, bro.
Alright, bro.
And we're going to Morgan. Vamos a Morgan.
No. Bless garage. Bless garage.
Flex Garage.
Nah.
You see it? We're going to Morgan.
Flex.
Flex Garage.
Flex.
Alright, bro.
God. How many bald eagles he got?
Boy, you already know what's up.
On the stockies, boy. Come on, drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Sheesh. Drip check.
It's the rich motherfucker right here.
He got the 24 karat earrings on him, on his ass.
That's what I'm saying. Look at the shit. Shit's going fast.
Legs up.
Fuck it. I should have went, bro. That lit, bro. Look at that look.
God.
16 wide wheels.
God.
26 by 16.
will I work?
Going under
Them wheels cost more than your house. Good job, sir.
take it
safe,
easy.
man. It was a
Let's
good
get
time,
it.
bro.
Yes, sir.
Hey, all the viewers. If you're not subscribed, subscribe.
Let's get it.